Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today my hair needs to wash. So if you're new to this channel, we have a series here that we call Wash and Style with me. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's me showing you guys my wash day routine. And because wash day isn't already enough of a challenge, what we've been doing lately is choosing one color only to use for our entire wash day process, from shampooing my hair to styling my hair. So for today's entire wash day, from start to finish, anything that touches my hair has to be pink. So I thought that pink wouldn't actually be a challenge because there's so many hair products out there that their bottle is pink, but the product is white, cream, yellow, not pink. So just as we did for the green challenge video and the blue challenge video, we're gonna start this challenge off with 5 points. And for every single time I absolutely have to touch my hair with something that's not pink, you, the judge, will minus 1 point. And then at the end of the video, in the comment section, let me know how many points I got by the end. So let us jump in the shower and start with shampoo. And my hands don't change color to the challenge, but my nails do, so I get a pass. I like to separate my hair into two so it's manageable while I'm shampooing my hair. I have a pink scrunchie. That's what I'm going to hold this side with. The pink shampoo I'll be using is the African Pride Dream Kids Olive Miracle Detangling Moisturizing Shampoo. I've never tried this shampoo before, but it is a kid shampoo, so I am expecting it to be moisturizing and gentle. So let's see how this works. It smells nice. What's that smell? I think it smells like strawberries. Give myself a nice scalp massage. Oh God, that feels good. Oh. Wait, talk about scalp massage. I just remember that I have a pink vibrating scalp massaging brush. So hey, since this is a pink challenge video, why not put it to use? I hardly ever use this thing, but oh. Alright, the African Pride Kids shampoo didn't do so bad. My hair feels nice, clean. Yep, I'll use it again. The deep conditioner I found that is pink is the Made Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut 5-minute Reviving Mask. Yeah, it says 5 minutes, but I ain't gonna do that. Alright, let's divide this section up a little more. I'm trying to do some light finger detangling while I'm applying this deep conditioner. It has slip. Not the best slip I've felt, but So this is the first time I'm using this deep conditioner, and I did just open it for the first time for this video, and 8 ounces of product finished in one use, and it wasn't cheap. And I guess it might look like I used a lot of product or too much product. However, I did use as much product as I felt that I needed so that my hair would feel good while I was detangling it. So, yeah. It's not my fault this deep conditioner was just faded. So, I think we all can agree that you won't minus any points from me for using water to wash my hair because it's water and it's clear, right? You know what else is clear? Saran wrap. So logically, since you won't minus any points from me for water, you won't minus any points from me from using saran wrap to wrap up my hair so that the plastic can trap the natural heat produced from my scalp and allow my deep conditioner to penetrate the hair strands a little better. So even though this deep conditioner only recommends a processing time of 5 minutes, I end up leaving this deep conditioner on my hair for overnight. So let's move on to washing this out and styling our hair. I'm tired. Okay, wake up. My hair still smells like pink lemonade. Woo! So I kind of conflicted because I kind of upset with that deep conditioner for finishing in one use, but the way my hair feeling right now, I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it's strengthened, but not too soft. My hair feels soft, but it feels strong. I feel like it can take a nice tugging. So moving on to leave-in conditioner, or well, my regular conditioner that I'm going to actually just leave in to my hair. Herbal Essences Color Care Color Me Happy conditioner. It's a regular rinse out conditioner, and I'm gonna use this, leave it into my hair. It's not a new concept. A very faint pink, but it's pink. Wow, nice. Ooh, this conditioner full of sleep. This is my hair. This is my hair. And this is my hair. Alright, so I apply my leave-in conditioner. I don't have no oil to apply to my hair. Styling. Alright. I was able to find 2 pink styling products. A curling cream that I already had on my shelf and I've already used in a video before for, I think it was the baby hair products tutorial. And I recently purchased this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel Curl and Wave. So I have my pink curling cream and styling gel. What style can I create? I'm gonna do a wash and go. I just haven't done a wash and go in a really long time, and I'm just loving how my hair is looking right now, and yeah. Okay, I know Eco Style Gel doesn't blend with everything, so let's test it first. Oh crap. Nope. This is not working together. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So when this conditioner mixes with the Eco Styler, it is balling up
which tells me that if I proceed to use this product combination for my wash and go, when it dries, it's gonna dry in a flaky white cast mess. So, change your plans. Alright, I think I'm gonna try just using the Aunt Jackie's Girls. It's a curling and twisting custard, so I'm not expecting it to have a very heavy hold on my hair or define my curls very much, any at all. But right now it's what I have. That's pink, so that's what we're gonna use. My hair feels soft and it feels nice, so let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Let's see.
So this is my hair after allowing it to hang and completely air dry. And we're done. You don't know me by now? You really thought I was going to finish at just a wash and go? I want to do a little something extra, so I'm going to do a little style at the front and add some accessories. So after going over this footage, I realized I wasn't very clear on what I did to achieve my cornrow style. So I decided we can just skip through this, and I promise that for a future video, I'll do over this little crisscross style and I'll explain a lot better then. And of course I had to go looking for a pink edge gel, and the pink edge control I found is the ORS Flyaway Taming Edge Gel. And now I'm just going through my hair stash to find any and everything pink to put in my hair. If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro. Remember this pink hairspray that I used for my cupcake video? Let's spray some pink in our hair. My hair was a lot more moisturized before I sprayed on this High Beams Intense temporary spray on hair color, but it's not so bad. I think I just finished the bottle. I could have blended the pink ends with my red hair a little better, but oh well. We are pink overload! So overall, I did enjoy this pink only wash and style challenge, and I hope you did too. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, please. It really does help a lot. And if you are new here and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I'm gonna guess it's because you don't like the color pink and it's not because of me. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you can sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos, that's a pretty good indicator that you actually enjoy my content, and why fight it any longer? Just subscribe. Okay, beauties, so thanks again for watching. I love it. God, man. Wow. I really am feeling this here. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.